In terms of his play, the last game he played for Bafana, I'll make him number 2. Number 1 for me will be Mabasa. Number 2 will be him. But what is happening, at Pirates, number 1 is always Mahopa. And unfortunately, Mabasa, I think even if he can score 30 goals, I don't think he will jump Mahopa and be number 1, according to the way I see things. And I'm worried that Mr. Nkeo, is he going to get a game time? Whereas a player like Umabasa is scoring, but he doesn't get game time like Mahopa. And now I've seen that Uradio Pan is also jumping Ulontuza Umabasa and become the second option. And so it's worrying that we saw you in the Bafana, you did very well, you signed for Pirates. So how this is going to work? Because Umwana says he's the top striker.
Yeah, that's what I got, man. But he's a club favorite. I agree with you.
And also,
they love him at the club.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.